Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create a user profile in the Midori Web Browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So in the first step, launch the Midori Web Browser, and in the next step, click into these three lines in the top right. What you want to do next, guys, is, click off these three lines and select this profile icon to the left. And that's where you can create a new profile, guys. You will see your current profile here, and you can create a new one by clicking into this button. And after that, guys, simply go through that customization or setup here by clicking into next. Give your profile a name. I don't know, let me go with my first name, and after that you may finish this by clicking into this button. And now, guys, if you'd like to switch between your profiles, simply click into that button here to the right and switch between your profiles, like the default one or the one I just created. Simply click into this button to the right. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.